Blender. Appliance for blending or pureeing ingredients. Saucepan. A small, deep pan with a long handle, used for sauces. Cutting board. A flat board used for cutting vegetables, meat, etc. Knife. A sharp tool for cutting. Oven. An enclosed compartment for baking or roasting food. Pan. A shallow, flat-bottomed container for cooking. Spatula. A flat tool used for flipping or spreading food. Stove. A cooking appliance with burners for heating pots and pans. Whisk. A utensil for beating eggs or mixing ingredients. Grater. A tool for shredding or grating food. Peeler. A tool for removing the outer skin of fruits and vegetables. Strainer. A utensil with a mesh or perforated surface for straining liquids. Toaster. A device for toasting bread. Fridge. An appliance for keeping food cold. Pot. A deep container, typically round, used for cooking on the stove. Measuring cup. A tool for precisely measuring liquid ingredients. Colander. A bowl-shaped sieve used for draining liquids from food. Tongs. Scissor-like utensils used for gripping and lifting food. Corkscrew. A tool for extracting corks from bottles, often used for opening wine bottles. Microwave. Appliance for quick heating and cooking. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.